Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing something a little different. It's not bow related, but these are great fillers I have at my craft shop. They're beaded pens and they help use up some of the extra of the bubblegum beads and smaller spacer beads that you have from the necklaces. I have two projects here, as you can see, and I'm going to be quick running through both of them. You don't need very many beads for this, which is great. Like I said, this is a great way to use up the pens. I will link these blanks down below for you. I got them on Amazon. They come with the pens, and they also come with a bag of pen refills. So you get these, one for each pen. It's a great idea. I love that. And I include them in with my ones that I'm selling. So this is the whole kit. I've used a lot of them, so there's not a whole lot, but they come pre-wrapped. I do have different bags to put these in. I don't like these. But you're going to need the pen blanks. I have a really old thing of spacer beads, but in particular, I am going to be using these. So you'll need those. And then you will need beads. And the beads I use for this are a bunch of mismatched beads that I have in this tote. You can get this tote at Dollar Tree, by the way. These are fantastic. But as you can see, it's just a bunch of mismatched ones. Some of them only have a few. Some of them don't even have more than one. So, I save these and try to do my best with mixing and matching for these pens. I don't like to waste my supplies, so this really does help with that. Now that you have your supplies, as you can see, you really don't need a whole lot of them. I'll use two of these and one of these for the silver pen, and then these plus the spacers. That's really all you need. You want to put a big one down towards the bottom because you're going to want to cover that hole. That's why I put one of the big ones there. And then I'll put a spacer in between. That really pretty one right there. Another spacer. Another one of those acrylic beads. And then just screw the top on. It's really all you have to do. These are easy. And there you go. I'll show you guys with this one really quick. Again, unscrew the top. Make sure you do not lose this top. And to just as a word of warning, you don't want to put these beads up higher than this threading, because if the beads are up higher than the threading on this rod, you are not going to be able to get that top back on. Learn that the hard way. Again, make sure that the bead on the bottom that goes on first is big enough to cover that hole. Put the little spacer bead on. The spacer beads aren't needed. I think it just adds a little bit to it. And there you go. And then just twist on the top. And that is your pen. Now, if you're curious on how these write, glad you asked, because I will show you. Actually going to be keeping these for myself. So I will go ahead and use them. But they write really good right off the bat. These ones come with black ink. I'm not sure if any of the pens do come with blue, but the ones I will link below come with black ink. And there you go. You guys have neat, fun little beaded pens. These are great gifts. They're also, like I said, great for show fillers for craft shows. I put these in little baggies, stick one of my logoed stickers on them, and I sell them. So these are plastic pens, by the way. I know I didn't mention that, but these are plastic. You can get metal ones. They just tend to be a little bit more expensive. I went with the plastic ones because they were cheaper. So that is it, guys. The beaded pens. Thank you guys for watching. I know this was a little bit out of ordinary, but I wanted to bring this to you because I thought these were great products and they would be a great way to use up some of the beads. If you guys are doing bubblegum bead necklaces, great way to use up some of the extra beads you can't do for bows, not bows, for necklaces. Like if you have like 1 or 2 of them, it's a great way to use them up, as you can see here. So thank you for watching. If you like this, please click the like button somewhere around here. Click the share button if you think somebody would be interested in seeing this video. Really helps with the algorithm. If you have not subscribed already to this channel, please click the subscribe button somewhere around here. And then click the bell button right next to it. Set your notifications to all so you are notified every time I upload a new video. I will be bringing a summertime cheer bow, a color palette challenge. I'm going to be doing one of the tall TAL tumblers that you can buy at Walmart. I'm going to be doing one of those with vinyl decals on them. And I will also be doing a video on packing up your cheer bows for shipping if that does not come out before now. So if you are interested in catching some more of my videos, please stick around. Also check out our Instagram, where I'm hopefully going to be getting better at posting on there, letting you guys know what's coming up. And I will also be posting color palette challenge voting, questions about videos that you want to see. I'm trying to make it interactive, so please check it out. But I thank you guys for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.